Hey guys, welcome back to the Lollie and Markie show, and I hope you're really enjoying this series we're doing from the great state of California here in the good old US of A. If you haven't already subscribed, can we ask you to do so and drop us a like? It immensely helps the channel grow like you wouldn't believe. So where are we? Literally 10 minutes from the hotel was Pier 39. We've just got into San Fran and we thought we'd have a quick look and see if we can see the sea lions in the bay. And well, you can definitely see that. So come along with us this evening. We're just going to have a bit of food and a quick stroll around. Hopefully you'll like what you see. So from the Lollie Markie show, let's go.
Gonna be a fight.
Who's going to win?
Oh, he's a right bully.
Three of them, isn't it?
Yeah. Got a cushy there though, haven't you?
Yeah. Hello. So we're in San Francisco, we're on Pier 39, and we've just come for a meal in Wipeout, which is the very end of the pier. I've gone for a fish combo, which is $24. Chips, fish and chips, chip fries. So I get coconut shrimp, calamari, and a piece of fish, definitely crispy. And pineapple coleslaw, and God knows what these dips are. That's tartar anyway. And lollipop has proper fish and chips with a wedge of lemon. No, I get a wedge of lemon. So, should I taste one?
It's not like what you get from the chippy back home.
Yeah. So, this is calamari. Ooh. That's lovely, red hot. Coconut prawn. Oh my god. You'd like that. Like a bounty.
You had them. When's the last time you had them?
We had them on the boat, didn't we? On
Yeah, Cocoa Cake.
Cocoa Cake.
Well,
And let's see what this fish is like. Everything's dead crispy. What's the fish like?
I haven't tasted mine yet. Have a look on time.
There we go.
Definitely crispy back there.
There's that.
Uh-huh.
Nice.
Am I gonna like it?
You are, it's a lot better than I thought. So these sauces, tartar, quick roll of tartar.
Homemade.
Ooh, that's lovely.
You're not gonna taste the others?
Oh. What are we going for? What's this one?
Sweet chili.
Oh.
The other one?
Sweet thing. Sweet chili. And the coleslaw. Strange.
Pineapples in them.
Yeah. So, it's not quite creamy as I thought it was going to be for American. Right, let's tuck in these. Right, so it's a tiny bit of fish from Lollipop, as you can see. Now, the batter's dead crispy. Tiny bit wet inside some of it, but I think it was dead crispy.
It was so crispy though, even though the outside was still really crispy.
And the fish had a black bit of discoloured bit, didn't it, on it? No, you can just tell there.
They don't give you like the whitest, flakiest fish, but they give you fish straight out the ocean. It comes as it comes. It's Pacific, right out of the Pacific. I don't know, but anyway, it was so tasty, and I really enjoyed it. But to the eye, I did keep looking and thinking, didn't really look right, but it tastes fantastic. So,
Absolutely awesome.
Oh, sugar lumps!
And
Right.
a pint, $20. Anyway, enjoy. It's cool. Isn't it? We've just had the bill. We had a little bet between ourselves. One went 80, one went a ton. Lollie, you said 80, didn't you? I said a ton. It was actually 71.70. But strangely enough, you have to pay a 5% San Francisco employment mandate charge for the employees. And tax, 18% would be 13.15. So 71, 74, 85. So Lollie's a bit closer, a lot closer than I was. So there you go. So from Wipeout on Pier 39 in San Francisco, we see you again. I'll show you this. These are the toilets. You walk in, the circus thing here, Wipeout. And then look at these. Look at them. Bonkers. Oh, and the chocolate store. Oh, right, okay. Yeah, we're going to go in here. And then there's an Applebee's, and that's about it down there, I'm going to say. So, large candy store and chocolate.
Very English.
It is? Oh.
Little crackers.
Yeah. Right, we're going to go and have a look around here. We will be spending some money. There's some nice stuff in here. Look at that, Golden Gate Bridge. Oh, yeah, to show you this. Terry's Chocolate Orange, $14.95. Right, anyway, we'll see you later. We'll go and have some chocolate things. You can look at these weird and wonderful things you can buy in here. So, not put mics on tonight, even though I've got them working now. Sour Puffs, whatever they are. Oh, Sour Puffs. Oh, and a big selection of sweets. Okay, so you can get a t-shirt. Okay. Oh my word, look at all these. Tell you what, the prices aren't bad. Look at that crispy sticks. All them. No chocolate. Oh, peanut butter cups. Oh, they look nice. But yeah, we bought our stuff. Almond lemon creams. Candied. Birthday cake now. Anyway, yeah, come and pay now.
Here you go. Chocolate bacon. Markie's choice.
See what it's like? Is it bacon? No, stupid question.
Oh,
What's it like?
gorgeous.
Is it?
No, it tastes like it.
What?
Tastes like me American breakfast.
Really?
Mmm. It's really nice. It's really, really sweet.
Alright.
And salty at the same time.
Okay. Can I try? Here we go. Bit far. Yeah. Right.
Oh, I love it.
You like that?
Because just like the pancakes.
You can have that. I don't like it for tea.
Okay.
Not for me.
Okie dokie.
So this is the world's, did you say the world's biggest candy shop outside? Something like that. It's absolutely
You've not
humongous.
been to Vegas?
Obviously not. It's huge.
You going in?
Going in.
Go and see, carry the bag.
Yeah.
I'll hold the bag and wait see that.
Wow, look at those. Look at the size of them. And them. Wow, almighty. It's not as big as I thought it was going to be. But there's plenty in there. Those pests. Bubblegum cards. Mini Kit Kats. And there's many pick and mix gone galore, isn't it? Wow. Sour Patch over there. Oh, well. It is big. Look at them. What are they? jelly bean things. Anyway, Easter eggs. No Easter eggs in America, funny enough. Anyway, let's go and have some notes. So you just jump on then? Just having a great all the time then, swimmer.